Also at forward number 4, RV Berjay. Guard number 20, Jomel Lantayan. Guard number 3, King Gurtiza. Also at guard number 9, Daryl Manliguez.
Game here in the Astrodome. We don't usually play Saturday games here.
Tama.
Because we usually play out of town, no?
Pajarito stretches out, straight lining in for Christian Pajarito. First points on the side of the Voyager.
Yeah, and hindi mo rin pwede siyang i-ignore as an all-star because you know,
Nala ko last year, the fans were worried. Warren Bonifacio, who has been the face for quite some time, was traded. Pero yung kapalit naman, parang ang ganda rin nung binibigay in Christian Pajarito. There he is, getting his 5th point of the ballgame.
Lalo siya ka-locked in and committed sa team niya. And we've seen the commitment from Christian Pajarito this past few months with regards to his stint with the Pasay Voyagers.
Landayan, bailout shot, floater near the 3. Pajarito, 7 points already in total for Christian Pajarito.
Off to a fast start here, Christian Pajarito. 7 of the 9 of Pasay.
Four-point lead. Alabanza answering on the other end.
And quickly, this is the basket earlier, galing kay Christian Pajarito.
Getting 7 points.
Puts it in using this drop step to the baseline, up and under. Pajarito beat.
But still with 5 minutes and 35 in the first quarter. Ball is loose, turnover on the side of Marikina. Gurtiza all the way for the lay.
Si Renz Alcoriza.
Oh, yes. See him right here. The pressure will give them the steal of the game. Brought to you by Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker. Unstoppable sound, ultimate power.
Maglaro ka ng fantasy. Usually, may steals at blocks tag here.
Kompleto. Renz, defended by Gerard Wilson. Martel stretches out the floor. Gets the 3 is Lian Martel. Martel to Steve Nash. Back-to-back triples on the side of Pasay. The lead is now up to 13 points.
Of the balance here from Pasay. Nash Enriquez coming out of that pick. Wide open 3. He knocks it down. And Marikina needing an answer.
Straight fake handoff, goes for the drive, gets a bump, the basket, and the bonus against another lefty in Mark Parks.
Like a Swiss Army knife, no? Kaya niyang magtimon, kaya niyang dumepensa ng mas malaki. But
yung defense is straight. Up to today naman, kitang-kita naman. Alcoriza on the drive, finishes with the left.
hindi niya mapigilan yun. Renz Alcoriza getting creative on that drive.
Gerard, extra pass. The drive. Turnover here. Alcoriza attacks. The left hand is still good for Renz Alcoriza.
Renz Alcoriza running the break again.
Gerard Wilson with the answer on the corner. Have to go back to this pass to an all-the-way finish by Renz Alcoriza to give us this fast break of the game. Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sport. Behind the back, straight goes to another former UE Warrior in Gerard Wilson, getting his 5th point of the ball game.
And look at Jason Straight showing us the handles and the finish with the right hand. Agad-agad.
Siya, take kaliwa. Kick out to Cyril Gonzalez. Kick out is good. Cyril Gonzalez able to make the 3. Ubaldo answers right back of the corner jumper.
Good for you. Si Ton hindi pa daw eh.
Soriano gets another basket.
Pero si Ero Soriano.
This was Straight once again getting another assist, going to Errol Soriano for the fast break of the game, brought to you by Sports Plus. Kanina kakwentuhan ko si Gerard Wilson eh. Sabi niya, only 2-point guards today, bro. Me and Jomel. It turns out it's 3-point guards. Si Jason Strait ang pangatlo.
Bonifacio with a big 3. 5 na lang ang lamang.
Cyril hesitates a little. Strong. Rebound stays with Pasay. They've cut the lead down 5. Daryl goes out. 3-pointer for Guile. Wala pa rin. Pangatlong pagkakataon. Gonzalez one more time. Finally hits a 3. It's Cyril Gonzalez.
Yeah, he caught that ball in rhythm. Cyril Gonzalez.
I think na nakita ko mga 3 days bago ni-release eh. Na-excite ako eh.
Si Iko ba nagpakita sa loko yun ha?
Extending the lead to 13.
No, just the inability to sustain that intensity. Ito Marikina and then Pasay.
Jomel, 2-man game, rejects. Daryl Manliguez sticking with the ball handler, but J.R. Alabanza able to get the hook.
Love that move from J.R. Alabanza. First of all, great pass. Good weight, saktong-sakto. Galing kay Jomel Landayan on the 2-man game, but the composure and poise of J.R. Alabanza underneath, able to finish.
Yung masakit, you defend for 21 good seconds, and then on the 22nd, there's a hook shot, but Christian Pajarito able to get his 10th point of the ball game. Siya na ulit na leading scorer on the side of the boys.
He looks very focused again. Christian Pajarito. Maganda yung pagbalik niya. No? Parang hindi siya nanlamig. No? Although matagal-tagal ang pahinga niya.
Well, usually a guy that really provides a lot on the offensive side, but always, inagawa ng candy yun ah.
Kaya nga.
Manliguez, alley-oop to Jello Santiago.
Man, this is where you really love itong mga players ng Pasay. They are all just, you know, yung pagiging tenacious nila sa depensa. Kitang-kita. But Berjay, to their defense, but Berjay right here, little in and out dribble. And then the triple para kay RV Berjay, forcing.
Too strong.
Masyado malakas para kay Jello Santiago. What a finish there for Bonifacio.
Bonifacio using his... This fast break of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Yung pinag-usap, Christian Pajarito, not able to get it from that middle area. Good 3 coming from Jomel Landayan. The lead is down to single digits.
Medyo maaga yung take-off niya.
Coriza finds the middle. Munmun deep but good. This play of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
That time,
okay.
Saka ni Christian.
Malabas kaya nila ang daldal ni Coach Yong?
Doon natin malalaman.
Kasi yung iba, dami. Ako, yung favorite ko yung yung kay Oligario tsaka kay Collado. Parang komedyante pala yung dalawang yun.
Oh. You see a different side of people every time. We shot all of the teams na papasok sa playoffs, gave them some sort of a playoff primer. And the 10-minute segment for Coach Marlon, the 5-minute segment turned into 15-20 minutes. And parang kulang pa.
Marami pang mahuhugot.
Oh, the way he was isn't here in the MPBL. Alam mo, I think it was in one rec league game and you know, being empowered also means that you have to be accountable. And talk about Jason Strait, he's been
6 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 assists for Jason Strait. Kanina point guard, ngayon big man. Etong si Jason Strait, 1-5, pwedeng-pwede laro rin. Ito ni Jason. 2-man game, empty ball screen. Goes to Mark Parks, middle 3. Straight but long. Able to get another rebound is Jason Strait. Uy, muntik travel. Straight line and in for Gerard Wilson. On the corner, lead is cut back down to single digits.
7.7 rebounds and 5 assists para kay Strait.
Now here he is, Euro step, pump, basket, bonus for Jason Strait.
since the first half. And here he is showing us the handles, the control right here, forcing the fourth foul on Fajarito as well.
Daryl to Martel. Corner exit. Alcoriza hesitates a little but still good for Renz Alcoriza.
Plenty of time there para kay Renz.
Jello to Steve. 4 on the shot clock. Jello far out. Jello fires. Straight line and in for Jello Santiago.
Incredible shot making from beyond the arc.
High two-man game. Steve on the drive. Almost a dipsy-do para dito kay Steve Nash Enriquez.
And straight with a block right there.
Aldrin Morante, Coach Boyet Fernandez.
No, Coach Aldrin. Oh yeah, for Cebu.
For Cebu.
Yeah. Pero .83 yung win percentage nitong Batangas. That's why they got the nod.
Wants to use Christian. Steve wants to fire the three. It's good for Steve Nash Enriquez.
And that should be night-night para dito sa Pasay. Courtesy of Nash Enriquez.
Juan Bonifacio was not used for quite some time. Able to answer there. Renz trying to play with the defense. Turnover.
Well, they had a 16-point lead going into the fourth. And they've managed to maintain it. And Nash Enriquez putting the finishing touches to this victory.
Steve fires from outside. Still good for Steve Nash Enriquez. 3 triples in the final 2 minutes of the ball game.
Such an electrifying talent ito si Steve Nash Enriquez. So streaky as well. And eto na. And he does the rest. Steve Nash Enriquez. And Pasay, just the way you like it.